From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is a tropical weather update.
Fred Gossage here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center on this Monday afternoon of September 29th, 2025 with your latest tropical weather update and two systems we're watching closely out in the western Atlantic. We have our twinsies on the board here. We have Hurricane Umberto, the easternmost storm. Now, this one is going to be the one that does not have any even indirect effect on the United States. It's going to be curving north and northeastward out into the western Atlantic. Imelda is the one that's been moving through the Bahamas. This is a tropical storm this afternoon. Good news is, as you've seen updates over the weekend, the trend has been for this one to turn east instead of landfalling in the Carolinas. There will still be some rain chances in the Carolinas along with some rip currents as well. And the rip currents and the showers extend down along the eastern Florida coast. But not looking at a direct landfall from Imelda either, because some things have kind of changed here over the past couple days. What's happened is Umberto trended stronger than what the models were originally showing. And then that upper level low over the Appalachians trended weaker than what the models were originally showing. You add those two things together, there was less of a northward pull from the upper low and a stronger easterly pull from Hurricane Umberto. So that's resulted in this eastward turn in the track that'll show you in just a minute. First off, we'll focus on Hurricane Umberto. Still a pretty organized system, not as strong as it was over the weekend. Keep in mind, at one point on Saturday, it reached Category 5 status. It is still a significant hurricane, though. Here's the latest advisory on Umberto today. And maximum sustained winds are still keeping it at 140 miles per hour as a Category 4. On this track, we will be moving north and northeastward with time out over the open North Atlantic, staying off to the west of Bermuda, and then moving into the North Atlantic, eventually weakening in the cooler waters and in the jet stream. We'll take a focus on Tropical Storm Imelda there and moving into the Bahamas, lifting northward for now, but it will be making the east return. I forgot to change my transition there to Imelda, but here is Tropical Storm Imelda. Winds up to 60 miles per hour. It's a little more organized looking today. For now, moving north at 9 miles per hour, but will be moving northeasterly and easterly over the next 24 hours. This one may actually approach Bermuda directly as we head into Wednesday, possibly as a Category 2 hurricane, before it weakens into a tropical storm and eventually a non-tropical low over the northern parts of the Atlantic. So not a direct U.S. landfall with either system, which is certainly good news. Next on the list is Jerry, then Karen, Lorenzo, Melissa, and Nestor. We will see how far we get down the list, but we are seeing signs that we'll have at least a few systems as we head through October. And keep in mind that the Atlantic hurricane season does not end until the end of November. So we'll watch things very carefully, but no direct landfall impact on the U.S. coastline from either tropical system, which is certainly good news. Our next regularly scheduled tropical weather update will be at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning Central Time with meteorologist Kelly Rawson. You can catch that right here on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel.